Welcome to Mathartic. In this question, the square is given and 4 quarter circles are given where the radius of these quarter circles are equal to each other. We also have another square formed by connecting these quarter circles together. The question asks to find the ratio of the colored square to the area of the larger square. Let's start. Before solving this question, I want to introduce one hint. If we have a square where the diameter of this square is given as x, the area of this square, which I show it as a, is equal to x squared over 2. So if I can find the diameter of this square, I can find the area of this square, and then I can relate this diameter to the side of a square to find the ratio. Let's first define the side of the square as L. Next, I'm going to connect this point to the center of this square, and similarly the center to this point. We form a small square here, and if you take a look at the diameter of this small square, it is technically the radius of this quarter circle plus this half diameter we have here. And if you do the same thing with the top left square, you have the same situation here where the diameter of this square is the radius plus this diameter. So if you consider these together, the diameter of this small square is basically diameter of the bigger square minus 2 radius. Radius of these quarter circles are equal to half of the side, which is L over 2. And if one side of a square is L, we know that the other side is L as well. And we can use Pythagorean theorem to obtain the diameter of the bigger square as L times the square root of 2. The diameter of the small square, which I denoted as small d, is equal to diameter of the larger square minus 2 times the radius of these quarter circles, and we know that radius is L over 2. And from this we obtain d as L times square root of 2 minus 1. Next, we are going to use our hint, and the area of a small is obtained as d squared over 2, which is L squared square root of 2 minus 2 by 2. We also know that the area of large square is equal to L squared, and we can easily obtain the fraction of S small over S large is going to be equal to L over 2 times squared minus L squared, and from this we have square root of 2 minus 2 divided by 2. Yeah, you can simplify this further. 3 minus 2 times square root of 2 divided by 2. Yeah, this is the end of the video. There are other ways to solve this question, so if you find an alternative solution, please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.